Hi, dear student children. We are hearing for the last 2 years that there will be a change in the pattern of engineering services and even there may be a change in the syllabus. In this new year, UPSC made it a fact. Yesterday, UPSC has released the new pattern and the revised syllabus for IES 2017. So I feel it's my responsibility to enlighten you about the changes according to my opinion. Please see this. See, as you know, engineering services exam is conducted by UPSC every year to recruit engineers for various departments in the government of India. As usual, civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics and telecommunication students are eligible. It doesn't mean that the students of other departments, instrumentation, CSC are not eligible. They are also eligible, but you know, they have to choose one of these 4 specializations. Whether you believe it or not, this year IES 2015 All India first ranker with electronics and telecommunication, Mr. Yusuf is our student, but his BTech background is the instrumentation. So let you belong to any branch of engineering, you are eligible for appearing engineering services, but you have the chance to appear with any of these 4 specializations. Then it is conducted in 3 stages. See, up to 2016 it is only 2-tier system, directly one exam, written exam in the May or June and then personality test. But now it is a 3-tier system. It will be conducted in 3 stages from IES 2017 onwards. See, it allows as usual the final year students also to appear this. And I hope that there may not be any limit on the number of attempts in future also. As everybody knows, the most sought after exam or career opportunity for engineers, it is engineering services. There is a wide scope for technical knowledge. You know, keeping this the UPSC has a revised syllabus. You will come to know, if you see the syllabus, all the latest technologies of every department are included. Wide opportunity to serve the nationwide, that you know, because it is an all India job, you have every scope to work in every part of India and you can serve much better than a state service. Good promotions. See, if you join at the early age, say 21 or 22, you have every chance of becoming the chief of that particular department. Therefore, as a father, I always tell my student children, start early. If you start early, you can reach the topmost position in that particular department. See, attractive salary. Of course, for anybody, any citizen of India who want to serve the India, salary may not be the first criteria. But apart from good service, you'll also have attractive salaries. In the 7th pay commission, definitely the beginning salary may be around 70,000 rupees per month. In no way it is inferior to the software jobs in service sector. Now you see, it is a secured central government job. Now if you see the competition for the last few years, the number of candidates appearing is increasing enormously. It will continue in future also. Now the eligibility criteria. The UPSC has not specifically come out with any changes as far as age qualification, etc. So one has to understand that same rules and regulations for the eligibility with respect to age, with respect to qualification will continue in future also. Now you see, as I told you, it is a 3-stage system. Now it is a main change. What is this? See, UPSC for the IES 17 onwards, there will be a stage 1 preliminary exam. This preliminary exam may be conducted in the month of February, maybe second week. So in that paper 1 or stage 1, you see this, paper 1, general studies and engineering aptitude. So what is the syllabus? There is enormous change in the syllabus compared to the present general studies and general ability. You know, English is almost removed, I can say. So it may be a blessing for the students from rural background. And the traditional general studies subjects like history, geography, biological sciences, they seem to be deleted. Anyway, what is their syllabus? I'll show you very short. So the first paper 1, general studies and engineering aptitude, will be of 2 hours duration and it will have 200 marks. The paper 2 of the prelims, it relates to any one of the engineering discipline, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication. Marks allotted are 300. Time allotted is 3 hours. So the stage 1 subtotal is 500 marks. Minimum qualifying marks in each of these paper 1 minimum, paper 2 certain minimum may be decided by the UPSC. UPSC has every discretion. Now, apart from minimum from paper 1 and paper 2, the subtotal out of 500, UPSC may decide cutoff for each category of student. So, from the prelims, these results may be announced after 1 or 2 months. So, the UPSC may limit the students depending upon the number of vacancies. Only 1:10 or 1:12 number of students may be allowed for main examination. Now let us see the scheme of main exam or stage 2. So the mains are stage 2 as usual. Paper 1, respect to engineering specialization. Duration 3 hours. Marks 300. See, as on today, duration 3 hours, marks 200, but that 200 has become 300. Paper 2, similarly 3 hours duration, marks 300 instead of 200. So the stage 2 subtotal conventional is 600. If you compare in the present pattern of the 1000 marks written, 600 marks are of objective type, 400 marks are of conventional type. In the revised pattern, if you see the total stage 1 and stage 2, 1100 marks, of them 500 marks for objective type stage 1, 600 marks for conventional. Means the UPSC is increasing the weightage for conventionals. You have to take it as a blessing in disguise. Right. Now, the stage 3 or tier 3, it is personality test as usual, 200 marks, whatever is there. So that subtotal, entire total of stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 is 1300 marks. So the final selection will be based on these 1300 marks. See, it's not similar to civil services. In civil services, after prelims you clear, that's all. The prelims marks may not be considered for final selection. But as far as engineering services is concerned, my dear children, marks obtained in preliminary exam are also to be included, are going to be included for your final selection. Right. Now, see the general studies just. So, general studies and engineering aptitude, one should say this, it is objective type. You see current issues of national and international importance relating to social, economic and industrial development. For this, there you need not have any special preparation. If you daily read a good newspaper, if you see a good news channel, you will get the awareness. Questions will be based on the same thing. The second thing is engineering aptitude covering logical reasoning and analytical ability. You see, the English part as on today, 100 marks, covering English grammar, comprehension, etc., they are removed. So, in spite of that, you will find logical reasoning and analytical ability. So, engineering mathematics and numerical analysis. See, till now, engineering maths is in GATE, but not in IES. But some minimum mathematical background is essential for an engineering candidate. So, keeping that in view, UPSC has included this engineering mathematics as part of preliminary exam. Now, the fourth one is general principles of design, drawing, importance of safety. So, the design principles in general valid for any branch of engineering, let it be civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, production, let it be anything. There are certain principles. Certain IITs are conducting their MTech programs in these design courses. So, the basics of those courses, yes, every engineer is supposed to know certain minimum aspects of safety, etc. So, they are going to be asked in this, right. So, standards and quality practices in production, construction, maintenance and services. Standards and qualities, you might have heard Indian standards institutions. There are various standards. So, questions may be asked in these things. Now, basics of energy and environment. Yes, we have to safeguard the environment. Today we are seeing in Delhi to safeguard, to reduce the pollution, how the vehicles are being allowed on the streets. One day odd number, one day even number. So, the environmental issues are becoming day by day very, very prominent. So, keeping this in view, the UPSC has given this as a major topic. Now, basics of project management. See, every engineer has to deal with some project, right from planning stage to execution, quality control. There are various aspects. In our final year BTech, see, most of we study this project management as MEFA or some other thing else. So, those essential concepts we have to recover or again remind ourselves to face this particular paper. Basics of material science and engineering. See, every branch deals with certain materials. So, what is behind that? So, it is another being added. Now, information and communication technology, you see, ICT based tools and their application in engineering such as networking, e-governing, technology based education. Our government of India is daily focusing on digitalization of everything. So, questions on that particular aspect. So, ethics and values in engineering profession. See, we are offered very good pays, very good positions, but what we are paying back to our society. So, the government of India and the UPSC are trying to inculcate certain ethical values in our mind systems so that we can serve our mother India. So, maybe keeping this in perspective, this particular topic is included. This topic you may be knowing, it is included even in civil services. So, it is one of the good topic in my opinion. You see, among these 10 topics, nowhere history, geography, life sciences. So, all these are the routine issues which are burning issues which every engineering student is supposed to know. So, you need not much worry about this change. Let us think it good thing is for us. It is a good thing for us. You need not worry about it. And UPSC has clearly mentioned how many questions may be asked among these 10. They have clearly mentioned minimum 5% of the marks on every subject, maximum 15%, like that, 5 to 15%. So, minimum 5% in every subject. maximum 15%. It means almost equal weightage or importance will be given to all the topics, so that we will have a overall thinking process and overall idea about the burning issues. Right. Now what shall we do? Let us not worry. Everything is for our better sake only, for our country's sake only. Now, there is enormous change in the syllabus. As I mentioned, general studies has changed like anything. In all branches of engineering, ESE with its team has made a research right from yesterday onwards. We have seen some major changes in the syllabus. Certainly there is a change about a minimum of 15 to 20% syllabus in every branch of engineering. So what about each branch of engineering? So we are going to release within few days separate videos about the changes in various branches of engineering. So wait for that. For the time being, what I would like to say, syllabus changed considerably and keeping in you the latest trends in these engineering branches, right? Now, how do you allocate time for preparation? See, till now, suppose IAS exam is in May or June, you can continue your preparation up to May, but it is over. Prelim will be in the month of February. Whatever syllabus is shown, both general engineering, aptitude and technical, everything you must prepare before the prelims. You can't escape. It means you must have proper planning of time. At least you should complete your syllabus conceptually in an objective approach. Everything be by December 2016 if you are aiming for IES 2017. So, any subject, if you have seen the previous questions, there are certain conceptual questions which you can answer if you understand certain derivations. So, peripheral reading may not give you good marks. So, at the time of preparing prelims, have conceptual clarity of each topic mentioned in the syllabus, understand all the derivations, wherever questions may be based on those derivations. So, little bit numerical approach, conventional approach also up to the requirement. See, if you don't clear in the prelims, no meaning in it. So, first target is you have to clear the prelims and you should gain sufficient knowledge in the concepts, and then you can extend your preparation for mains. So, just having preparation for few subjects up to prelim, it will not work out, because as on today more than 2 lakhs all branches together are appearing. So, you have to crack the prelims. So, your strategy what you are adopting till today cannot be applied now. There should be little bit change in the orientation, change in the planning. So, according to the revised pattern, you have to be little bit alert, right? So, mains may be conducted in the month of July. So, there may be some 4 to 5 months gap between prelims and mains. So, you can have a calculated preparation for prelims and you can have a calculated additional preparation for mains, right? Hence, as I said, the time for prelims compared to the present exam is less. So, be careful there, right? Hence, you have to manage time effectively before the prelims itself. You know, GATE exam generally will be in the last week of January or first week of February. IES prelims, 99% chances, second week of February. So, you can correlate the GATE exam and IES exam. But the problem is extra syllabus of IES with general ability, engineering aptitude, additional subjects, etc. So, you should have a proper planning write the planning on paper, execute the plan, then definitely you will get the best possible rank in IES 2017. Right. Manage time effectively. Control emotions. See, particularly because of so many tiers, never lose hope. See, some students may think, it's not possible, general ability is so much. Nothing is impossible. Think, if it is difficult for you, it is difficult for others also. It's only relative comparison. So never lose hope. Everything is for our better sake only. You control your emotions, then automatically you will be successful. Right. Improve accuracy. Accuracy is very important. Reason, 1:10 or 1:12 may be the range for writing means. So your accuracy plays an important role apart from time management. So read the best study material. So you can't read each and everything available in the market. Time is insufficient. So choose the best and most appropriate material. Take the best motivational guidance. See, if you can prepare yourself, well and good. You need not join any coaching center. But if you need guidance, I promise ACE will give the best possible motivational guidance so that you will be successful. ACE offers, as you know, regular classroom coaching, long-term coaching for IES 2017. For IES 2017, admissions are in progress. Don't delay, because it is going to be 3-tier system. Prelims in 2017 February. So if you want to take coaching, join early. Let it be any coaching center in India. I don't say that you join ACE only. If you want to take coaching, but join early so that you can complete the syllabus in time and you can crack the prelims and then you can enter into the mains. So don't try to join late, then the result will prove to be disastrous. If you are serious, start preparation early. It may be self-preparation or taking guidance from some institute. Right. The second classroom coaching program, the 2 years integrated program for IES 18. You see how much syllabus has changed, both technical and non-technical. If you want to crack the IES 18 in the very first attempt, I advise my student children to start preparation or to take coaching right from the BTech 3rd year, 1st semester onwards. Then you will have 2 years sufficient time. With that, I give an assurance that you can crack the IES 18 in the very first attempt. Right. So we also offer postal coaching. We are modifying the material for the present changes. We will announce the date from which we will give this postal coaching. So watch our website for the dates from which we are going to offer revised material for postal coaching. See, we are also conducting online and offline test series which will suit the exact changes in the syllabus. Right. So as you know, ACE is well known for its classroom coaching. So our classroom coaching will have a synchronization. Synchronization of classroom coaching with the study material. Study material prepared by an R&D team, research team, subject experts from various premier institutions. Students are toppers of IES and GATE and senior personnels. So the study material will supplement the classroom coaching. Then we will have regular test series. There will be career guidance and motivation. So all these things, I'm sure they definitely lead to make you successful. Right. Now last but not the least, my dear student children, to win the race, join ESE. Thanks for watching. All the best.